What is going on, everybody? Welcome to a gold stream trading with FundingRock. So, for those watching, can I get a hello, a little thumbs up? Let me know if you can hear me well before we dive into this and we dissect the charts. See, we got Naruto. What's happening? We've got Sir Jones analyst in the house. What is going on? Long time no see. Toy is here, bro. Come on. Give me a little thumbs up if you can hear me. Before we dive into this is going to be a great stream. It's going to be an absolute sick stream, if you ask me. Okay, thumbs up. Naruto SGM has let me know he can hear me. So, let's get into this, guys. Today we are trading gold live on the markets. Hopefully we can make some money. On top of that, we've got a 100k FundingRock account loaded up, ready. And we're going to be looking at gold, and maybe we're going to jump into GJ and see if we can, make a little something, So, guys, without further ado, let's get into it. Let's get this. Okay, we are here. So, who here actually trades gold? It don't matter. We're gonna take a look at gold anyways. Yeah. Boom. As you can see, guys, gold is literally been pushing towards the upside like crazy ever since, let's just say, last year, August. It's been on a bullish uptrend. The last month, if you were trading gold in January, all you had to do was just press the buy button and just close your eyes. Press buy, close your eyes. Price is pushing towards the upside. Really instant. Like that's all you had to do. You know, just press the buy button and just push gold towards the upside. Yeah. But anyways, guys, today's class is going to be all about the great masterclass on how to actually trade gold. So stick around to the very, very end of the stream, guys, yeah? Because it's going to be a sick one. So let's get into it, yeah? Gold, one of the most traded pairs in forex trading. We already know this, yeah? So since gold is the most traded pair, you can expect a whole lot of volatility, especially during New York session. And right now, it is New York session. So let me show you how I approach the markets when I am trading gold on a day-to-day basis, guys. Yeah. First and foremost, when you are trading gold, ask yourself, where do you think gold is going to, guys? So for all the viewers right now, I'm just going to mark out two areas inside the market. Yeah. I'm going to mark out this area up here, which is all-time highs. Okay. And then I'm going to mark out this area down here, which is the low area of the market. Yeah. So we have that. So let's just edit this for a second. We're going to call this point B. We have point B. And up here we have point A. Simple question, guys. And I hope you can see that. If you cannot see that, let me know. I'm going to just change that text to black. Okay, we're going to change the text to black. Okay, boom. So, guys, talk to me. Do you think gold is going to push up to point A, or do you think that gold is actually going to retrace and go all the way down to point B? Let me know. Let me know, let me know, let me know, let me know. What do you guys think is going to happen next? Abdullah, you think it's going to go up? Yeah? You think it's going to go up? Anybody else? And the thing is, the great thing about trading, guys, is nobody's right, nobody's wrong. You can literally just press buy and price will go up. You can press sell, it can go down. Your stop loss is someone's take profit, and your take profit is someone's entry, and all that kind of stuff. Yeah. Personally speaking, since gold has been pushing ever since August 2025, yeah, I think price is going to go to A. That's what I think. It's not going to happen immediately, though. That's the part. It's not going to happen immediately, but I do think it's going to happen very, very soon. I don't know how soon we're talking, but it's going to happen very, 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 very soon. Yeah, that's all I can say. So let's break it down. What happens next? Yeah. So we have figured out the direction that we think gold is going to go to. Yeah. When I'm looking at the charts, guys, one thing I love is the session indicators. So I turn on the session indicators like this, and from this point, I am actually able to see which session I am actually trading. So I've jumped from the daily time frame all the way down to the 4-hour time frame. So right now, as you can see, point B is all the way down here, boom, and point A is all the way up here. And we're talking thousands of pips with the way gold works. As you can see, oof, 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 oof. Yeah, we've got a long way to go. We really do have a long way to go. So, since you've marked out the high areas on the bigger time frame, all you have to do, guys, is do the exact same thing on the lower time frame. Let me show you what I mean by this. So now on the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, I have my own little mini zone like this. This is my A zone. As you can see, let's just quickly jump into the daily real quick. Let's make this a bit more smaller. Boom. So we've got the A zone up there, and then we have our B zone somewhere down here. I hope you're still following, because we're about to get techie right now. So I hope you guys are still with me. So we've already identified what this should look like on the higher time frame. We've got our point A, we've got our point B. So we can just quickly delete this for now. So boom, we're now on the 4 hour time frame. Yeah. So based off what you're seeing on the 4 hour time frame now, yeah, we have our point B down here and our point A above here. We are officially trading New York session. So for New York session, we expect a lot of volatility in the market. If price is going to be volatile, it's going to move very, very fast. So we have now point A above here and vice versa, point B down here. What do you guys think, or where do you guys think price is going to go for today's session? Overall, we thought it was going to go to point A, but now we have scaled into the lower time frame. So every time frame you go into, guys, make sure you actually identify obvious areas that you think price is actually going to go towards. So, do you think it's going to go to A, or do you think it's going to go to B? And the thing is, right now, I think we're at a lovely, beautiful location for us to actually enter a trade live on gold. Hopefully, we're trying to make at least $1,000 today. Can we make $1,000 today trading gold? Maybe. Just maybe. So the level 521051, we have something unfulfilled with the H1 fair value gap inching us between 516. Easy. Sir Jones, I love that. I love that analysis. Spot on. That's this on the 4 hour. So you know what? 4 hours is going to take too long to enter a trade on a live stream. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Oof, 1 hour time frame. This is the part where we get technical. Yeah. So from what I'm seeing here on a technical point of view, during London we came back and we literally just kissed a little pinch of this down here for price to make a higher high, form a higher low. So personally, guys, I think that we are going to point A. That's what I think. Let's go to point A. So since we're going to point A, guys, boom, risk management is key, right? Before you enter any trades, you need to understand risk management, lot sizes, and all that kind of stuff. You don't just want to enter a trade just based off the instinct and all that kind of stuff. Yeah? So as you can see, if I was to mark this out, guys, we have something like this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a potential that price could actually now continue to push towards the upside since we are now trading the New York session. The volatility inside the market should respect our bias if we are correct. Keyword, should respect if we are correct. Obviously, if we're incorrect, it's not going to work. Simple as that. It's not going to work. The next thing that we want to do now is identify zones of supply and demand, aka support and resistance. I think I have found a zone right here. As you can see, we have a little bit of resistance over here. Not much, just a little. A little bit of resistance. 1. A little bit of resistance again. 2. And a little bit of resistance again. 3. 3 points of resistance. Nice. So now let's go for support. So as you can see, we have some support over here. We have some support over here. And finally, we have some more support over here. Really is that simple. You don't have to overcomplicate charts when you're looking at the charts, guys. Plan of action, just keep it simple. We've identified our zones and where we think price is going to go to. We have our A zone, we have our B zone. People are saying it must go up, so we're going to have an A zone type of bias. Simple. We've identified a zone here where price is expected. Amazing. Next up, as you can see, we have identified supply and demand area inside the market. Beautiful. So what we're doing here, guys, we're literally just breaking it down step by step. After this, you can go into the 30-minute time frame, make sure everything aligns. On the 30-minute time frame, this looks 10 times better. I think let's go for some buys. Who's with me? Who is with me? This is what you just call price action. You're just watching what price is doing. Some people like drawing trend lines. I'm one of those people. As you can see, I can draw a trend line like this. We have literally 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touches on our trend. So there is a high possibility that price can now continue to push and push to the upside. That's what I think is going to happen. As you can see, we have our points. Now, when you put it all together, guys, this is what you call confluence. Confluence is when you have a lot of things that align with what you want to see this side of your artist. Yes, confluence. Now that we have the confluence, let's jump into 15-minute time frame. We're going deep right now. So the blue shade is Asia session. The green shade is London session. And as you can see, the red, that's New York. So right now we're crossing over from London to New York. That's what you call the crossover. So as we're crossing over now, let's see. Is there anything we can find that can help us with our bias to continue to look for bias inside the market? This is the point where patience really matters. It's one thing when you have your bias correct, but the next thing we want, guys, is patience. If you don't have patience, the market will take the money from the impatient and give it to the patient, which is ourselves. Yeah. Give me a thumbs up if you're with me in the chat, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you're with me here in the chat. If everything I'm saying is making sense. If it's not making sense, ask the question and I can clarify. Now we have a channel pushing towards the upside. So Sir Jones Analyst has an entry. I'm going to make this green. So you said you entered at 5194.06. It all depends on the charts that you're on. So right now I'm on FXDM 5906. Oof, brother. Did you enter a buy or did you enter a sell? If you entered a buy, I think you entered a bit too early there, bro. Right now, this is selling territory. Are you in the buy or are you in the sell, bro? We're going to go into the 5 minute and we're going to start scalping in just a few minutes. We're going to go scalp mode. XAUUSD. Okay, who's ready for this? See this right here? This will catch people out on the wrong side of the market, guys. Hopefully we're on the right side today. We just want to be patient. We don't want to make any rash decisions. We're not here to make rash decisions, guys. This is our zone. It's marked out. Let me show you the importance of lot sizes, guys. Okay, I'm entering this buy with a 1 lot, with a 0.01 lot. Okay, watch this. Okay, now I'm going to enter this with the 0.10 lot. Then I'm going to enter this with a 1 lot. 3 positions. You have to calculate your lot sizes, because if you don't and you're just entering trades with nothing, right? This is what's going to happen. With the 0.01, you're only losing roughly 9 cents. You see how the prices are now fluctuating. See this? The importance of lot sizing. Price is now selling. If you don't know what lot size you're using, you're going to get burned out. And you don't want to get burned out. That's the thing. That is the actual thing. So guys, when you're entering trades, use the correct lot size. On the website, I can calculate the lot size for you. So when you enter, there's no confusion, there's no nothing, it's just straight business. This is how you become a disciplined trader. This is how you get payouts. This is how you do it. It's just education. Literally. Education. Thank you, thank you, thank you. As you can see, gold is now not respecting this. Let's quickly jump back to trading view. There was no stop loss or anything entered in that trade, by the way. These are habits of someone that doesn't want to make money. These are habits of traders that just want to enter the markets hoping for the best. We're not here to hope for the best, guys. That's not what we're here for. We're here to literally make money. We're here to come to, let's just say, FundingRock, buy a 5K, 10K, whatever account, trade disciplined, trade the plan the trade the plan. From that point, that's how you get your payouts. You just don't want to be entering whenever you want to enter and all that kind of stuff. It doesn't work. Trust me, it doesn't work. So we jump back over here. See what's happening now. The goal is to make $1,000, but you can only make $1,000 if you're risking the right amount, if you're on the right side of the market, and if you analyze the market correctly. If you're not doing any of these, you're not going to hit that target. You're not. Okay? So we have this right here, our position. So we're just trying to escape here with 1% profit. 1.0, 1.01. So we're going to walk away with 1,000. Question is, where is that TP? That TP is all the way up here, guys. Can we get there today? Who knows? Gold is very volatile, so we will see. So make sure when you're entering trades, you calculate. This is all about calculated risk, guys. Literally, calculated risks. So we have three positions: 0.01, 0.10, and then finally we have a 1 lot. We can up it and go for 10. We can actually do 10 lot, but that's how this account is gonna get blown in seconds. We don't want that to happen, guys. We don't want that to happen. Literally, we don't want that to happen. So you see how we put the take profit for 1%. That's 1,000. Let's open this up. Take profit 1.01%. This will now go to such a higher point inside the market. So you see how one is on 5. The point is 5,291. That is literally light years away because I'm using a 0.1 lot. So guys, lot sizing is so important. Literally, it is so important. If you're doing it wrong, that's what's gonna happen. So yeah, let's just adjust this because there's no way this is gonna go all that way. Really and truly. So we're gonna put this at 5200. Sorry, I'm gonna put the price at 5200, which is 0.1%, which is actually nothing. Actually nothing, guys. It is nothing. Okay, now let's check that with the 0.01 lot. How much can we make? TP 5,200. That's the area we're targeting. We will just make roughly $1. And that's the importance of lot size, guys. So for those in the comment section, for those watching right now, how many of you actually calculate your lot size when you're entering trades? How many of you guys calculate your lot size when you're entering trades? I guess nobody does. I guess nobody's calculating their lot size. Sir Alex Jones, so to help with SL calculation, the guys before execute, they just hit the SL button, drag, and it will calculate from the start, smaller lot size, and goes from there. Exactly. But lot sizing is important. Calculating your lot size, super important. If you don't, oof, it's gonna come back and bite your ass. Got my guy Casper in the house. Always calculates that lot size. Literally, always calculating the lot size. So as you can see, it looks like we could potentially be on the right side of the market. Can we make that $1,000 trading gold live? Who knows? Can we make anything trading live? We'll see. But these are just chart patterns, guys. That's all that it is. Right now, this is on the 3-minute time frame. This right here is a famous pattern. You see prices pushing, and it's just doing this. It's doing a whole lot of nothing. Although we are bullish, at some point she might fall down. And when she does, that's when your stop loss gets hit heavy. Not good. And there we go. Those are those cells kicking in. See what I'm saying? If you don't have a stop loss, what's going to happen? You're going to get burned. And we actually didn't put a stop loss. This was education. This was education. So let's go back to TradingView and actually analyze it properly. On TradingView, as you can see, it looks like we just retraced a tiny bit over here. Grab liquidity to wick. Hopefully, price can take off to the upside. Okay, we have JT Edge. So right now we've got a few of the 5P members. We've got a few of the 5P members in the house. JT has been killing it, literally killing the futures, killing DJ. Love to see it. So this is gold right now, guys. Yeah, we didn't just find this on the 5-minute time frame. We didn't. We were on the daily. Then we went to the 4-hour time frame, and then we went to 1 hour. Then we went to 30. Then we went to 15, and then we went to the 5. That's what you call top-down analysis. Top-down analysis, guys. So, gold. Gold can potentially give us something like this. So this is a 1:1. But like I said, if you're not calculating your lot size, this will not be a 1:1 using a 1 lot. It just won't. Like, it doesn't work like that. It just won't. Sorry to say this, guys, it won't do it. So like I said, we have a 0.1, 0.01, 0.10, we have a 1 lot. Shall we do a 10 lot, guys? Shall we do a 10 lot on this? 1 day away, brother, from the payout. Oof. So JT is one of the 5P members, guys. Yeah, killing it right now. And in just 1 day, he's just about to get a payout. That's just music to my ears. It is music. If I had a 10 lot, guys, yeah, see how my drawdown is only literally about 0.5%. If I put on a 10 lot, I'll be already negative 3% of this, by the way. Let that sink in. I will be negative 3% already because I'm using incorrect lot size. Using incorrect lot sizes just shows inconsistency. Literally, it just shows inconsistency. And that's how volatile gold is. And that's why, like I said at the beginning of the stream, guys, everybody trades gold. Literally, everybody trades gold. So, I'm going to quickly jump over to Euro USD and show you this the exact thing. I'm going to enter 3 positions on Euro USD, okay? 3 positions using the same lot sizes on Euro USD. Okay, so we're going to enter 0.01 Euro USD. We're going to enter 0.10 on Euro USD. And finally, we are going to enter a one lot on your unit. As you can see on the screen, guys, Euro USD is barely making any profits. Even the drawdown is so minimal. Using 3 different lot sizes is pretty much the exact same. However, with gold, we're already negative 100, negative 3, negative this. That's why it's so important, guys. Calculate your lot size, and if you're trading gold, use the correct lot size. Anyways, that's gold. That's Euro USD on a 3-minute time frame. We didn't even analyze it. It's just education. Should have analyzed it to see price go in the correct direction. Which brings me on to the next thing, which is correlation, guys. Why are you entering sells on Euro USD and entering buys on GBP USD? You don't do that. You're not supposed to. As you can see, Euro USD is selling off crazy. It is selling off crazy. But look at the drawdown. I'm literally only minus like a total of $60, $70 using 3 different lot sizes. While on gold, I am negative $330. We got Harris in the house. Harris, what's happening, bro? Long time. No see. Let's see your USD on the 5-minute time. Interesting. Very, very, very interesting. Gold better give us something, guys. Better give us something. So, speaking of gold, speaking of the analysis, when you guys are entering trades, how confident are you when it comes to entering those trades? This says a lot, by the way. Are you 50% or are you over the edge? When I say over the edge, I mean 70%. If you're entering trades and you're less than 70% confident, don't do it. Trust me, you don't want to do it. So, I don't know what's going on, but the volatility right now is super slow. And it's New York session. When something like this is happening, guys, what you want to do is check the Forex calendar. Do we have news events? What's going on? So make sure you always check out the Forex calendar. When you see the Forex calendar, you can see all news related to the pair that you're trading. So since we're trading USD, I usually just stick it with GBP and USD. That's all that matters to me, London and USD. So today is Wednesday. We had President Trump speaking at 2 a.m. That's it. Everything else is just price action. Okay, we got some people checking in from India. Yes. Greetings, man. Greetings. People all over the world. We have some Americans. We got some people from Ireland, people from India, people from the UK, people from South Africa. Beautiful. absolutely beautiful. As you can see, with Euro USD tanking to the downside, the loss is literally nothing. Actually, nothing. But I'm going to close these positions with Euro USD, and we're just going to mainly focus on gold. Okay, so gold is only down 0.5%, literally 0.5% only. We have our take profit set on gold. What's the point of having a take profit and not having a stop loss set? Pointless if you ask me. So let's enter stop loss positions on this, guys. Let's enter stop loss positions. So when you are trading, we generally want to have a nice risk to reward. I'm talking 1:2 minimum. Reason being, if I'm risking 1, I'm making 2 back. That's why. Simple as that. Minimum. But don't now start looking for like 1:10s and 1:20s. You know when they say be realistic? That's the definition of that. Be a little bit realistic here. So this is gold in the 5-minute time frame. So let's jump up to the 15-minute time frame here. Let's see what's happening on the 15. Why is price acting the way it's acting right now? Why is it not pushing up? Why is it pushing down? Talk to yourself when you're trading, guys. So when you talk to yourself, you really understand the magnitude of what's really happening. If you don't understand, I don't know. But anyways, get to know. Okay? Get to know what's happening on the charts. Speak to yourself if you have to. You might appear like you're crazy, but yeah. It's okay. It's okay to be a little bit crazy. So I'm just trying to mark out a zone here, but I don't have the rectangle. So we're going to use a horizontal. As you can see, price literally came, swept that wick, started to push up. Okay. That's why I'm bullish, by the way. Yeah. We have a fair value gap chilling here. We've got supply levels chilling here that needs to be taken out. So what does that mean for me and my bias? What am I doing now? I'm trying to find an area in the market where I can put my stop loss. An area that's not so obvious. So guys, when you're placing your stop loss in the market, don't just put it anywhere. You want to put your stop losses in areas that you're not going to get taken out. Some people put their stop loss, let's just say something like this. Look what just happened. You got taken out. You got taken out. Now you're sad like a baby. Like a baby. So yeah, set your stop loss, set your take profit, and heavy on risk management. If you do these 3 things, you will start becoming more profitable. And obviously have that edge and be confident in the market when you're trading. And just keep showing up every single day. Once you keep doing this, everything else will fall in your favor. The goal is we're going to make $1,000 today. Today we're making $1,000. You heard that correctly. Blow the trumpets, we're making $1,000 today. or we're gonna lose $1,000. It's one or the other. $1,000 is the number for today. That's the thing. Sometimes you just wanna just sit back, relax, watch your trade play out. So that's that on the 15th. So let's check out trading view on the 15-minute time frame. Make sure everything actually aligns. So yeah, on the 15-minute, it looks interesting. It really does. It's going to TP 1K on the way. Let's go, baby. Beautiful. So as you can see, guys, we are so scaled in. You might have forgot what's really happening. So let's jump out a little bit. This is what's really going on. This is what's really going on. And we're just in the 30-minute time frame. Don't forget what we saw on the 4-hour. What's really happening is, yeah, we're expecting price to go to all the way to point A, which is up here. And that's the importance, guys, of literally scaling in, zooming in, and just being able to zoom out a little bit. Because if you get so sucked up, forget what's really happening. But yeah, let's quickly jump back to the file. We're already in the trade, so we need to be alert. Like I said, these highlighted, these shaded areas, these are just my session indicators. Let me know what's really going on. What's really happening. So look, I've taken it off, nothing changed. The session is still the same. The bias is still the same. We've got our first touch over here, our trend line. We've got our second touch, third touch. This right here is textbook. Why did we not enter the trade over here? Because it was outside of our trading window. That's so right now, I also do think price might come all the way here to our inner structure point A. To our inner structure point A. We're only down 0.7%, guys. Risk management. Is key. So to the people still watching, what is your actual opinion on gold? Are you guys with me or are you guys against me? What is your opinion on gold right now? A lot of people think it's going up. Yeah, a lot of people think gold is going up though. So currently, as you guys can see, this is actually trade locker on FundingRock. So no fusion on the 100K right now. The goal is to just break it down little by little. Sir Jones analyst. It's Denzel with an E, bro. It's two E's. Denzel. Well, yeah, I trade US 30 every now and then, once a month. But my baby girl is GBPKPY. That's my baby girl right there. I'm gonna start dabbling with gold though. I think gold might have a little something. First, you just start back testing it before anything. I'm not gonna end this stream, guys, until we make 1,000. I am not ending the stream until 1,000 is either made or lost. Once 1,000 is lost, we're out. As you guys can see, the numbers on the screen, right? That's why risk management is important. So each position is literally just one up. So we got one size, one lot, and 0.1, and then 0.0. You see how we're floating minus 400 on one position, minus 40 on a different position, and minus 4 on another position. Gold is a 10, but she can be feisty. Can. But I wouldn't put gold in the top of my list of pairs to trade. But during New York session, the volatility is too crazy to not take a little peek. You know what I mean? And just see what gold is up to. You know? We're just trying to make 1%. Gotta be 1% better every day, right? Why not make 1% a day? Let's go. Let me just take a quick look at GJ if you guys don't mind. Actually. Let's see what NY session is doing for GJ. Not really doing anything. Expected. Okay. On my chart. GJ, my bias. We broke out of a range today. We literally broke out this range today. GJ. Now we're making higher highs and higher lows. Potentially, we can have something like this. Like I said, we're just aiming for 1:2. Can we get to 1:2? Maybe. We'll see. But yes, let's go back to the main event. Gold. Okay, gold is pushing. Let's go to our take profit. Let's go. I think I spoke too soon. That's the thing sometimes. When you speak a bit too soon, all of a sudden price does not fall in your favor, which is not good. How about we do some magical twinkle as hopefully goes in that direction. You don't want to hope when you trade though, guys. You want to be certain. I'm going to give it maybe 10 more minutes. Yeah, we're going to give it 10 more minutes, guys. Hopefully price begins to do something. We've been at it for nearly 1 hour. Are you going to push up or are you going to break down? What's going on? I'm trusting the analysis, guys. I'm actually going to trust it. Whether it plays out or not, it's okay. It's A-okay. Give us something. Give us something, guys. Listen to JT said, y'all lock in with my bro. Lock in with me, guys. What are you guys waiting for? Lock in. A lot of people need to lock in. Saeed Kadar, bruh, SL. I know, bro. I know. I said, what's the SL? We missed the whole point of the stream. There is no SL. We're full court in this like a motherfucker. That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing right now. Nah, I'm joking. We don't want to promote bad trading and bad trading habits. But the whole idea of this showing you the importance of lot sizes, positioning, and calculating your lot size and all that jazz. Matter of fact, Saeed, where do you think I should put my stop loss? Let's do this together. Where should I place my stop loss? So I've got 3 positions, like I said, with 3 different lot sizes. One lot, 0.1 and 0.01. Where should I put my lot size, bro? Take the lead. It's not looking good. Maybe it's time for us to enter that stop loss after all. The bears are arriving just minutes away. 3 minutes away. Why is it arriving 3 minutes away? Golden Bears trap. Is there something that I'm missing? You might be right, you know. How did you know? That's what I want to know. How did you know that within the next 3 minutes the Bears are gonna start kicking in? What's your secret, bro? Currently, I don't have. Oh snap! Okay, bro, Saeed. All I can say, we're all students in the game. Rule number 1: 48 laws of power. Student must never outshine the master. But what that really says is that we are always students in the game. Even me, I learn new things every single day. Golden Bear's trap is just about to teach me something on why he thinks the Bears are kicking in 3 minutes. Always be willing to learn. And I'm willing to learn every day. We're not ending this stream until we make $1,000. $1,000. JT says, I'm weak, y'all. Y'all must not know gold will wick you, then go to TP. But Rose said, for risk management and positioning. Facts. Absolute facts. Because don't forget, like I said at the beginning of the stream, guys, gold is one of the most traded pairs. So of course it's gonna trick people into thinking it's buying and then sell, or into thinking it's selling and then it buys. That's what you call market manipulation, especially at New York session. Especially at New York session. And yeah, don't forget the rules, guys, when you are trading prop firms, yeah? That like you do need to still follow the rules, check what the drawdown is, the profit, targets, all that kind of stuff. So let's quickly jump over to FundingRock website, yeah? FundingRock. I'll quickly explain how it works. There is your boy. Anyways, look guys, it's a two-phase challenge. Doesn't matter on the account size. It's all about risk. You still have to risk the same amount. You still have to make the same amount. The dollar figure is different, but the risk amount is the exact same. 8%. As you can see, phase one, 8%. Same 8%. We're always thinking in percentages of dollar figures. With as little as $59, you can actually get a 5K account. And all you have to do is make 400 bucks, aka 8% on phase one, then 5% on phase two, and the world is your oyster on phase three. Simple as that. There's no gimmicks. Literally, there is no gimmicks. If you've got any questions, click on the FAQ. There's things about news trading, the rules and the risks and the regulations and the challenges and everything. You know, click on the rules and the risks. See, is there a lot size limit on positions? Yes or no? As you can see, prohibited trading practices. You're not allowed to use high frequency or ultra short term trading. You're not allowed to do bulk or mass order trading. All of these things are illegal. And the list goes on. You're not allowed to use EAs. You're not allowed to do tick scalping, hedge trading, reverse arbitrage, you name it. Account sharing or reselling. No, no, no. Yeah, that's that. Let's go back. Ooh, now we're minus $700. Let's quickly go back to the website real quick. Let's see what our daily drawdown is. Bossman Alex. Got the team, A team. Okay, I think I might have to go too far. Max daily loss is 5%. So we're trading on a 100K account. If you want to risk it all, go ahead. Just make sure your stop loss is below actual 5% figure. Because if not, take profit, your stop loss will be hit and you'll be sad. Anyways, guys, it's been about 10 minutes. Still no action. We will give it until the half 2 candle. Price will go to our TP. So now, as you can see, because I'm about to step away from the charts, let's start entering stop loss positions. Starting off with this big border right here. You don't want to just be on something. So even if I was to put a 4% stop loss, if I was to lose 4% on this one trade, my stop loss is all the way down here. And I don't think gold will come down there though. Or might prove me wrong. What should be my risk management to pass the account? Risk management is 1% per trade. But what we're doing right now is just educational. 1% per trade. But this is what you call negative trading. Why do I have a minus 4% stop loss and a 1% take profit? Not good at all. Oh, look what gold is doing. Finally, it's doing something. Damn, I'm already minus 1,000. Maybe it's time to hop off the stream now. What you guys think? Close positions and hold? Or trust your analysis? What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be, guys? I'm trusting this analysis through and through. Sorry, I'm actually trusting this analysis through and through. But anyways, we're going to be trading tomorrow and Friday. And since we're trading tomorrow and Friday, we're just going to pick up where we left off. It's buys, but gold is just playing. Then again, we're all the way on the 15, so let's just take a quick step back. Like, I won't lie, on the 30 minute, it is a nice break in the retest though. That I will give it to. It is a nice break in retest. However, yeah, this could have just been a momentum retest though. We'll see. So yeah, I'm setting my stop loss in all positions at 5-1. 5-1. Guys, we're trying to pass this challenge, don't forget. Gold, you disappointed us today. I'm not going to lie. Gold actually did disappoint. However, a lot of lessons were learned today. We learned about risk management just a little bit, position sizing, top-down analysis, and all that fun stuff. So yeah, today was a good day. I'm going to do this all again tomorrow, Friday, the following week, and the following weeks to come. Right, guys, nothing has happened in the last hour, 20 minutes, so unfortunately, we have to bounce. But look, we'll be back tomorrow for vengeance. Yeah, we're gonna leave these trades running. Who knows? We might even do Asia session tonight. Yeah, we actually might do Asia session. We'll see. We'll see. But for now, I'm gonna leave it at that, guys. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you guys for watching. We'll let you catch you guys here again, same time tomorrow with FundingRock.
That's it, traders. So if you're ready to take your evaluation, you can go in the link in the description. You can start today. But if you're here just for the content, then make sure you like and subscribe to make sure that you don't miss out on the future. Best of